Futures on major U.S. stock indices slightly slipped after the release of payroll processor ADP data. The U.S. dollar is correcting upwards against its major counterparts after hitting a two-year low a day earlier. Futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 0.5% to 28,777 points. The Nasdaq Index grew by 1% to 12,439.75, and S&P advanced by 0.6% to 3,548.38. Before the release of the U.S. private sector data, those futures managed to add near 1.3%. Today, the ADP released its private payrolls change report. The number of jobs in the U.S. private sector increased by 428,000 in August after rising by an upwardly revised 212,000 jobs in July. Economists expected employment to jump by 950,000 jobs. The euro fell to 1.1867 against the US dollar from its previous close 1.1910. Versus the yen, the US currency rose to 106.14 from its previous close 105.95. The US dollar index added 0.25% to 92.57 points. The dollar started to correct upwards against most major currencies after the U.S. statistics were released on Wednesday. The economic activity in the U.S. manufacturing sector expanded at a stronger pace in August. The ISM Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index rose to 56 points in August from 54.2 in July, while economists predicted only 54.5. Ahead of the data, the U.S. dollar index dropped to 91.75, the lowest level since the spring of 2018. Reuters quoted Commerzbank analyst Tu Lan Nguyen. The US dollar was able to benefit from significantly improved ISM data yesterday, which suggests a continued high-speed recovery, thus increasing the likelihood that the US might be able to overcome the crisis comparatively better after all. End of quote. During the trading session, the greenback may be affected by new statistics from the United States. For example, the ADP National Employment Report will show the data on private payrolls in the United States. Economists had forecast the figure would increase by 950,000 in August after rising by 167,000 in July. The data on the labor market and factory orders from the ADP to be released today may lead to a rally in the US currency in the short term. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.